Today we are going to learn how to fix Get-SecureBootUEFI Cmdlet not supported on this platform. First, open PowerShell as administrator. Then copy-paste shown command. You can also find this command in description box. This error is thrown due to secure boot is not enabled. For secure boot, you need to enable it inside of your system BIOS. Yesterday I have posted a video on how to enable secure boot in Windows on VirtualBox. Link can be found in description box and pinned comment. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have learned something new today. Thank you.